Hi everyone, I'm Ashley, the Thrifty Chica, and today we're here to make the easiest and fastest Dollar Tree fall wreath. I picked items from Dollar Tree's new fall decor line that make creating this wreath foolproof. You can easily achieve the same result by following my steps in this video. And if you love easy fall decor, check out the 3 easy Cricut DIY ideas after the wreath tutorial. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my DIYs, giveaways, and other fun content. Also, check out my Facebook group. It's Dollar Tree DIYs and Decor, and it's filled with other wonderful creative people just like yourself. Let's start with which supplies you'll need. You'll need a Dollar Tree wreath base and one of the fall pumpkin signs. You'll need 2 fall pumpkin picks, a green squash pick, an orange sunflower pick, and a bright yellow sunflower pick. Also, some ribbon would be great. You can switch out ribbon color or type to change up the wreath style. I chose burlap ribbon. Begin by setting up your hot glue gun or an alternate glue choice. I used hot glue because it sets up quickly. Lay out your floral picks in order of where they will be used. We're filling half of the wreath form, so starting on the left, the pumpkin is on the far left, next to it will be the squash, then the large yellow sunflower, an orange sunflower, and finally we complete the wreath with another pumpkin. Take your floral picks and fold the wires in half. This will make it so that we keep the wires in one place while we slip them into the wreath form. Take your ribbon and use glue to attach it to the wreath, wrapping it around and gluing the end to secure. If you're using hot glue, be careful to avoid burning yourself because the ribbon is porous. Take a moment to arrange the flowers and leaves around to make sure that they look their best. Now we're going to add our Dollar Tree welcome sign to the wreath by gluing the ribbon to the sign. Allow the glue to harden before moving on to the next step. Flip the wreath over and measure how much ribbon you need for your sign to be centered, and then hot glue the end in place. Now your wreath is complete. All you have to do is add some other cute decor for your front porch. Owls remind me so much of fall, so I thought this would be perfect in warm fall colors. I used an 8x10 frame from Dollar Tree, and it's in this lovely rose gold color, a sheet of yellow pearl paper, and a sheet of brown vinyl. You can make this project by clicking the link in the description box to go directly to Design Space. I've already sized the project to fit an 8x10 frame, but you can also resize it to fit a different frame size. The owl takes a while to weed, but it's so beautiful and it's definitely worth the effort. Our next Dollar Tree Cricut project is super simple, but it's a great reason to display your Dollar Tree plates as home decor. You'll need a Dollar Tree sunflower plate and a small amount of brown vinyl. Click on the link in the description box to go straight to the DIY page in Design Space. I left the sizing open to modify since Dollar Tree carries 2 different plate sizes in the sunflower pattern. These Dollar Tree kitchen towels and sunflower cups would be perfect to coordinate with your fall DIYs in your kitchen. Our third DIY is a fun way to celebrate flowers as word art. I used a 5x7 Dollar Tree frame, a sheet of yellow pearl paper, and brown vinyl. This project is pre-sized and ready to go in Design Space, so click on the link in the description box to try it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial DIY for an easy fall wreath, and that you also enjoyed my 3 Dollar Tree Cricut ideas for fall. I have tons of other ideas on my channel, so make sure to click that notification bell and subscribe. Have fun, create, and I'd love to see your DIYs in the Facebook group. I hope you have a great week.